Should we do a U-turn?
No, you know, it's gonna take you back.
You wish. Until it doesn't. Let's hope. Put my faith in you. Put my faith in you. Okay. Stay away from the greens. Just scaring that fly. Just trying to hitch a ride on me. I had to show it that I play an instrument. Left, right, a fork in the road.
I feel very NASCAR today. Making a left turn. Making another left turn.
Such a good girl. All-terrain puppy. All-terrain puppy. Growing good, doing good. Avoid the mud, baby. If you can. Good girl. Such a good puppy.
No, we're not going that way. Daddy will for sure follow
Some
us
nice trails in here.
there.
Good job, baby.
We come back with a water bladder and a better way to secure water for Nyla. Some boots. We can actually have a good day back here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not saying we're not having a good day now. I'm saying like be more responsive.
I guess it's a way to keep people on trail.